1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I also saw it. I saw it on someone's YouTube video that it doesn't feel like human hair or doesn't have a human hair feel. It actually does feel like, I don't know if it's human hair. It just does feel like soft hair. It actually does feel like human hair. I can't even lie. I was going to say it feels like synthetic, but no, it actually doesn't feel like synthetic. Synthetic feels more of rubber, plastic kind of feel. Actually, it does feel like human hair. She probably felt it when the wrong stylist was trying to like separate the strands and everything. If you go to a wrong stylist, they are not going to know how to pick the strands. There is no need to pick. They already gave you maintenance tips, and I guess that is one mistake most local hairstylists don't do, or hairstylists that think they know too much or they've learned enough to. They never read the instructions of all the packs that come with it. They just think it's the same thing. They already give you maintenance tips here, which it says already do not use heat. It has been pre-coiled, it has been treated and everything. That is the reason why you're seeing it look so silky and curled up. Another thing is do not brush. Some people brush. I've never gone to any hairstylist with this. This is actually my first time using this thing. I do not do braids at all. I haven't done braids in like 2 years now, so I decided to do it now because I'm just tired of wigs and I just need to have good hair. That's why I just want to have my hair braided. That's it. So it's not like I need the braids. My hair, I do not do hairstyles that I think are not okay for my hair because I have really thin, scanty hair and my edges are not edging. So I do not pass my boundary. But this time I'm doing now, I just felt that this would be good. Not because the style is beautiful or anything. I just needed like a weightless braid and something that my hair can actually carry. I hope throughout, I hope as I've been talking, you've been reading these tips because they actually come, they actually come with maintenance tips that people ignore a lot. So do that when you buy or before you buy. You can read it before you buy. But yeah, this is it. It actually does feel silky, but it will tangle if you do not pick it well. It's the same way, I'll say this, it's the same way you buy human hair, you do not know how to maintain it. You even do not know how to brush hair, but you keep blaming the vendor for selling you bad hair when you know it's actually you that's not combing from the tips. This hair doesn't need combing, right? But the picking is very important. You can't just pick like it's attached. You know how you arrogantly be what's the English? You know how the hairstylists just aggressively pick out attachments. Exactly. You can't do that with this or else it's going to tangle while you're doing it.